So in this recording, I am going to show an implementation of this paper. It's called Guiding Large Language Model via Directional Stimulus Prompting. So what it says is for activities, let's say like summarization and all, instead of fine-tuning the model to summarize, they suggest to create a policy model. Right? The policy model, the idea of the policy model is you give a, let's say, the source to create a summarization to the policy model. The policy model will extract stimulus or hints, right? So the keywords or the desired behavior that you want to see in the summarization output, it extract those, and like it is actually fine-tuned to, or it is um, like through a reinforcement learning. This model is trained to create hints out of the source content, and that hint can be then given to the LLM, which can use this hint to, let's say, summarize that content. The hint is kind of a stimulus to um, to drive the summarization LLM to output the content in a certain um, format, like in a desired behavior, right? That is the idea. Now, I am actually not going. So the thing that I'm going to show is I'm not going to um, create a model like this. The idea that I took is that I will create two agents and stitch them through LangGraph. The first agent will look like this. The first agent will be the policy agent, which will be a GPT-4o model, which will take a chat transcript, and I'll give it a prompt to create the hint. So here the policy model is trained to create the keywords, but here I am assuming that GPT-4o will not require training. It will know how to generate hints if I give a chat transcript, right? So my first agent, the policy agent, will take the chat transcript, generate hints, and then the chat transcript and the generated hints will be given to the summarization agent to summarize the chat transcript with like a meeting summary email, right? Um, and the hints, like we'll see in the program now, the output, like how the hints come in, how the hints go into the summarization agent, and how do we get the meeting summary email. So let me go to the program, right? So as I said, there are two agents. The first agent is my generate hint V2 agent, right? Which is this policy agent, right? That is my generate hint V2. The system prompt that I gave to it, let's look at the system prompt. You are the policy model as mentioned in the paper, guiding large language models via directional stimulus prompting. Your job is to create hints from a provided chat transcript that can be provided to the LLM, which is responsible to create an email summary that will capture the action items of all the participants in the meeting, right? That is the system prompt that I gave to the policy model, and the user prompt is nothing but the chat transcript. This chat transcript is between a bank customer and a loan agent. I synthetically created it using GPT-4, right? So this policy model takes the system prompt. No, this is generate summary, right? Yeah. So system prompt and the chat transcript creates the hints and then stores the hints in the shared persistent state, or so the shared state that I created here. This is the shared state. So it stores the hints there, right? And then I have the second agent, the generate summary agent, right? This one, summarization agent. The summarization agent takes the hints, and the summary system prompt, if you look at it, it's a Jinja template where the hints are given in list, right? So I take all the hints and put it here, right? So it says extract the key discussion items and action items from the provided chat transcript between a bank customer and a loan agent. Focus on identifying tasks for both the bank customer and a loan agent, such as, and this is where I give the hints, right? Exactly like how the paper mentions, right? Where you can, I'm not sure if they have given a prompt template for this, but no. So yeah, so the idea is that I will give it a give the hint, multiple hints, right, through this prompt, right? Well, let's extract the key discussion items and action items from the provided chat transcript between a bank customer and a loan agent. Focus on identifying tasks for both the bank customer and a loan agent, such as, this is where the hint goes. After extracting the relevant content, please draft an email that can be sent to the bank customer. Please only share the draft email. Do not add anything else. That is what my summary agent does, right? And finally, I store the email in the shared state. This is where I'm building the graph, and this is where I am executing the workflow, right? So I have a print statement here so that we can see what hints it created. Okay, so yeah, so this is the print statement that will give me the prompt that I created with the hints, right? So let me run this, show it to you. So as it is running, so see the prompt with hints is extract the key discussion items and action items from the provided chat transcript between a bank customer and loan agent. Focus on identifying tasks for both the bank customer and loan agent. And these are the three hints. These are the three hints that the policy agent, like this is the policy agent that has been created by this policy agent. Alex needs to send a mail to customer with a list of required documents. The customer plans to gather and send necessary documents. Alex should follow up with the customer once the documents are received, right? This hint is given to the generate summary agent, which finally creates this meeting summary. So these are the points for the meeting summary. And here I use structured output. So if you see, this is what I created. Where did the structured output go? This is the class. Yeah. So this is the meeting summary class, right? Which captures the discussion point. This is the action items class that captures the action item. And finally, the email class, which has the list of meeting summary, list of action items for both the customer and the loan agent. And this is what I have given as the structured output to the summary agent. So if you see the summary agent, I gave email as a response format, right? Similarly, for the hint, for the generate hint, the policy agent also, I use the structured output where I gave hints as a class, right? So this is the hints class, the hint string, right? So that's how it created the meeting summary. Then the customer action items, right? These are the two action items that it created, and the loan agent action item. These are the two action items for the loan agent, right? That's all I wanted to show as part of this recording. Thank you.